Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing loose debris and testing. This matters because tire shine can bond differently on aged concrete. Once you've cleared the area, apply a diluted degreaser or concrete cleaner to a 1-2 square foot test patch. Scrub with a stiff brush or use a pressure washer at a moderate setting to see if the finish lifts. Make sure to protect nearby plants and drain lines. This prevents chemical runoff. If the test shows progress, you're ready to scale up the same approach across the stain. Once the test succeeds, treat the whole stained area with a stronger application and give it time to penetrate. The why is simple: tire shine contains polymers that need chemical softening. Agitate thoroughly. Use a rotary scrubber or a stiff brush and work in overlapping strokes to loosen the polymer film. Rinse with hot water or a 1500-2000 psi pressure washer to flush residues. If gloss remains, apply a clay-like poultice made from absorbent powder and cleaner. You finish by thoroughly rinsing and neutralizing the surface, because leftover cleaners can affect curing or attract dirt. Let the concrete dry completely and inspect under different light angles. Some residues only show when wet. If clean, consider applying a breathable concrete sealer to reduce future staining. If the sheen persists, repeat the poultice, or, as a last resort, use a diluted muriatic acid following safety steps: ventilation, neutralization, and plant protection to break stubborn polymers. Troubleshooting tip: if damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.